conditions now at 8 o'clock. Lots of bare spots, lots of spots where it's drifting. Where there is snow on the road, it's hard packed. It's not too windy now. It's pretty much coming to an end now. It's 8 o'clock. We're on Finley right now. Coming across the causeway now. A few drifts. Looks pretty bare for the most part. Visibility is pretty much perfect now. Some spots are a little bit of blowing snow. Not too bad though. Seems pretty clear and open. Clouds have definitely been around. Haven't seen many around though. Side streets are still a little bit of deep snow on some of the side streets. We're on West Main right now. Looks like they're only really worried about keeping one lane open right now, which makes sense. But we're on West Main. Seems pretty good. Just certain spots are a little bit sketchy. Going down Main Street now. Not too bad out now, guys. All the roads are open now, for the most part. All the roads that I've been on are open anyway. Even the side streets have been plowed, but it might have been a few hours ago. The snow pretty much stopped, just blowing around now. This guy on the bicycle, he's pretty determined. I wouldn't advise to do this, but this guy seems to be enjoying himself. Nice little enjoyable bike ride on a sunny afternoon. Going across the bridge, heading towards Riverview now. Road's nice and clear, but it's blowing a little bit, I guess. Yeah, the roads are all clear, guys. Pretty good going now. Plows are out. Everybody's cleaning up. Should be good to go.